God's eternal and everlasting love. Explaining God's eternal and everlasting love means to describe love that has no beginning and no end. His love remains the same through every situation. Unlike our love, which is conditional and fades over time, God's love is rooted in his unchanging character. Jeremiah 31 verse 3, Jesus says, he loves us with an everlasting love, which means there is no expiration date, nor is it a temporary emotion or a passing phase. It is beyond time. Remember, God knew you before you were formed in your mother's womb, meaning God already loved you before your parents even thought of you, and he will continue to love you for eternity. A love that is steadfast, loyal, and persistent, even when we are disobedient. God's silence is not evidence that God stopped loving us. God's love does not change because God does